You searched how to buy shares of Illinois Toolworks, Inc. Illinois Toolworks is a diversified industrial manufacturer that trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker ITW. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy ITW, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ITW to find Illinois Toolworks. Confirm the listing and select the correct result before moving on. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for ITW. Make sure the company name and ticker match so you have the correct asset. Click Invest, enter the amount or number of shares you want, and choose the order details, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed at the next open. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before the trade is confirmed. Once the order is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio when executed or queued. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.